We want to wish everyone a happy 4th of July. Be safe out there, sneakerheads.
Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go to smash that thumbs up. They are free.
I know, right?
In
Yes,
this
sir.
video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby. That
Yes.
weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from 29 June through July 4th. So I'm going to go ahead and start off. So starting off, we do have a men's Nike SB Dunk Low. This is coming out at a price point of $120. This are for the skateboarders out there. They're calling these dark team red. The overall contrast of the shoe is like a Grinch green with red. It does look like it has a tan midsole, as well as we look at that outsole, we do see looks like it's gray to me. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, do see that green pod on the middle. Nothing too fancy out there. This is just a classic dunk done up in green and red. Overall, I do think this is a clean shoe. However, this does look like a fall shoe to me because of the colorway. It features that burgundy red as well as that puke green looking like the Grinch stole Christmas. But overall, this is just a nice, clean shoe for the skaters out there. You want these, go and grab them, sneakerheads. I will be rocking these just because it's a clean colorway. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I really liking the different colorways they did with those. I do agree it is more of a fall shoe and not a summer shoe. So I will be rocking those as well because of the colorway. So I will be rocking well. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, we do got that Air Jordan 3 Pure Money. This is a family size that they will be dropping. Right now, they only have a price point for the men's. This shoe originally came out in 2007, right? I'm really loving this shoe for the summer. I'm really loving this shoe. There is just a slight difference from the original shoe, and it's just the toe and heel elephant print on the panels. That's the only real difference on this shoe. I really like how they put that stitching, that text stitching on the back of the back tabs, pure money, right? That pure dollar sign. So this is a nice shoe. I know Jordan Brand is listening because there's dual laces. They went ahead and added, right? They went ahead and added those elephant print laces. So I know Jordan Brand is listening to us when it comes to spicing it up with the laces, right?
Yes, sir.
Overall, this is a clean shoe for the summer. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. That price point is a little steep. I get it, right, Jordan Brand? But overall, this is a nice, clean shoe, and I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
So you know I'm rocking these as well. I do have the OGs, the original ones in my collection already. However, they are yellow now, and they're heavily worn out at the heel. So I do need a new pair for the summer. I used to treat these like my Air Force Ones and just rock them all the time back in the day. So I am looking forward to this. I'll probably well be going for these just because I need these back in my collection, and that white matches with everything. You can rock them with any outfit you wear. So let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, were you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Hey, you guys continue to love content like this. Hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.